The most powerful men in history had a brotherhood, and it's time that you get one too. Let's go.
My next guest, Travis Brady, combines
Travis
fitness
Brady
with
has
life.
a deep love and passion for sharing with others his message.
The closest relationships and the people I know now are people I've met through you and because of you. And
I admire everything you're doing. Very few men have the ability to go after what they want in life, and that's what I admire.
You've been an awesome human being that pushes me to do more things.
Continue to help people and bring people up and raise up their spirits, raise their energy towards a more beautiful and better life.
Hey, what's up? It's Travis Brady. I'm a branding alchemist, marketing strategist, story sales process coordinator, and I'm one of the creators here at the Brotherhood. And I'm really grateful that you're here right now because I'm going to be talking a little bit about the B3 community and what it consists of, and a little bit about how it works, and really what inspired me, besides Don Bradley, the other creator, is just being around other masterminds and investing into networking events and other brotherhood type communities, and really taking all of those things, okay, and saying, how can we put something together unlike anything else out there and at a better value than anything else out there? So I want to talk to you a little bit about that, okay? And I call these the 3 points of the brotherhood. And these aren't just 3 points of the brotherhood. This is 3 points in general that I've seen make or break businesses. Okay. And the first one all starts with a personal brand. Okay. And I know some people are very off-putted by that word, a personal brand. And I used to think the same thing. Branding's stupid, it's superficial, and I don't want to be a part of any of that fake shit, right? But branding is so much deeper than that. It's the way you carry yourself. It's the way you talk. It's the narrative of what you share about your business. Okay, the story. It's your logos. It's your website. It's your processes. It's the way you put together your offer. Like, branding is so much deeper. And here's the thing. Okay, two different people could be talking, but if they respect, love, and trust someone more than the other, even if they don't have the better service, they're going to go with them because they have respect for them, they trust them, okay, and they have love for them. And that's your goal, okay, as a person. All right, no more hiding behind your business. You are the brand X factor. You are the business. So we got to lead with the thing, okay, that makes your business so great, which is a personal brand. Okay, next, as a personal brand, you also need to be around other people. And that's one of the biggest goals, is how can we get you around other networks? All right, and we'll go into that a little bit more here in a second. And then the final P is processes. Up until this point in time, you could have ignored automation and AI and been pretty much okay in business. That's not how it is going to work moving forward, okay? The way we do business, the speed of which we do in business is absolutely changing at a level that none of us are actually really prepared for. I mean, if you think about it in the grand scheme of like human beings being on this planet, our way of business has absolutely transformed more so than ever before. Like, think about that for a second. Okay, we have bots that are able to chat with people, call people, okay, close businesses, keep things moving while we're asleep. It's absolutely incredible. So these are the 3 things. Okay, the strongest shape in the world is a triangle. Okay, and so our goal within the community is help you build your personal brand, get you around people, and then help automate your business and processes at the same time. Okay, here's what I've noticed with people that don't have a personal brand. Okay, they try to tugboat people, they try to go get people, lasso around them, and then they try to move them towards them. Okay, this going out there is exhausting, trying to find people, trying to mine people, okay, and then pulling them back in to try to get them interest in your offer. Here's what I've noticed with people that have a really powerful, strong personal brand is it's like a huge magnet, okay, that they have, and they're able to attract people towards them, okay? I call this the difference between the tugboat and the lighthouse. Okay, what do lighthouses do? They shine their light and they're able to influence as many boats as possible. Tugboats can only help a few at a time. So that's what we are mostly focused on with the Brotherhood, is helping you build your personal brand. Okay, and then next, get you around a community. The way that most people approach communities is they're gonna like come into it. I'm gonna pull people towards me that want to work with me or share my services or whatever it might be. And it's the worst way to network. And people smell that shit. They smell it a million miles away. Okay. And so our goal at the Brotherhood is to put you at the center of your life. Okay. And help build a community around you. And we're doing this with other people as well. Okay. Build communities. Okay. And as a result of helping everyone build communities, okay, it bridges people from one community to the next. All right. And that's the goal of the Brotherhood, is to build a community around you. And the truth of it is, you already have a community around you. We just need to build a more influential and powerful network around you. Okay. And we're doing this with everyone. Okay. And when the tide rises, it lifts all boats. Okay. And then lastly, and one of the most important aspects, in my opinion, about what makes this membership great is we give you an AI automated CRM that helps you move processes along. At the end of the day, you can't carry all the balls. Okay, you just can't. And so most people, without using automation and AI, they're always stuck on carrying all these balls and trying to move them. Okay, your goal is to hire AI. Okay, and when you hire AI, okay, their job is to move these things, put them on the conveyor belt, and move things forward without your effort all the time. Okay, when we're not utilizing AI, now we have to manually follow up with people, manually talk to people, okay, manually send out things. All right, our goal with AI is to continue your influence when you're asleep, when you're busy, okay, and help to replace one of the most important positions in your business, which is you. And the next most important position we got to fill in your business is an assistant. Okay, I've been able to save almost $2,500 a month on assistance of what our CRM can do it. And the most important thing about this is we help you build it step by step. Okay, I've never been a part of anything else like this out there. Okay, we're going to sit down with you once a month. Where are you at in your business? Okay, what are you trying to automate? What are you trying to do? And we're literally going to sit down and make sure that it gets done. Okay, because if you're anything like me, if it's up to you, you're going to put it off when it comes to following through on someone else. And if you're sitting right there and then, okay, it's going to get done. And so that's what makes this so incredible. So that's just a little bit about it. If we haven't talked, I would love to talk to you more about what this entails, or maybe you want to try out one of our next masterminds and workshops coming up. Okay, click the link below to schedule a time with me or check out one of the events coming up. Lastly, I want to leave you with this. Okay, earlier on in my business journey, I thought that it's just going to be a lonely road. Okay. And I think I moved myself away from people thinking I just need to work on my business. I just need to get it done. In reality, what really helps the business move forward is being around people that inspire you, motivate you, or help you see things from a different perspective. So within our brotherhood, we're looking for 6, 7, 8-figure people that are really looking to take their business to the next level. If you're newer in business or you don't have a business, okay, this just isn't for you. All right. Come to one of our other events. Okay. Get tapped in this way. The goal with this particular community is to be around other like-minded people that are ready to really pour into each other and really lift each other and inspire each other. Okay. So that's a little bit about it. Like saying, click the link below, and I look forward to talk soon. Good talk.